How you feeling, buddy?
I'm never doing that again. All right, guys, so Serpent Stang is actually going to take me out in a ride in the GT350R. Yeah. I'm excited. I'm nervous. This is the first time I've ever done anything like this, like road course or anything like that. You guys obviously know. Oh, Vince is back. But the first time I've ever done track experience or anything like that, so this is going to be fun, guys. Let's get suited up. All right, guys, we're going to do a quick little merch plug here from knivesdeal.com. You can see the link on the description for 10% off. Use promo code SENTITSTEVE, all in one word. As you can tell, this is a pretty sweet EMT knife here, and unbelievable. This is why you can't have nice things, because then your buddies just walk around and do stuff like this. But you have a pretty sweet knife here. It is actually pretty sharp. And again, guys, I know they are cheap knives, but they are throwaway knives. Like, when you're done with it, throw it away, buy another one. They're freaking less than 20 bucks. They are great quality. I do carry one every single day, so don't knock the product until you try it. And you know what? If you are done with it, throw it away, buy another one. They're cheap, and you get 10% off. How can you go wrong? Roll the footage. realize how like actual fast this thing is until you're like doing stuff like this.
That's what I always tell people, because a lot of people hate on the GT350.
Yeah.
It doesn't have a ton of power.
Yeah.
But dude, this thing was built to be here.
Definitely. And you can tell it likes it. It absolutely loved that. Like that corner there, when you were really on it, like you could feel the car was just on the track. It was not going anywhere. That was actually pretty cool the first time. Yeah, I think because like the helmet's a little small too, and I got a headache. Yeah, literally just ate too, which is terrible.
Yeah, my buddy's a pro driver.
How you feeling, buddy?
I'm never doing that again.
Steve, did they take Steve out?
Yeah. So,
No.
So that was the repercussions from Steve's first time on a road course.
Dude, I'm telling you, that road course is insane. Vince, have you ever done that? You're gonna throw up.
That is so fun.
Oh.
All right, guys, they said keep it at 35, but we got this. Oh, there's people.
Just do a fast 35.
Yeah, we're just catching up. It's 40. We're good. I'm not gonna lie. We can hit strips. We're coming in hot.
Oh my God.
You know, at first I thought I was gonna laugh, but 35 in a corner in a truck is actually fast.
This feels a little dangerous.